In our tutorial session, we are introducing people to the fundamental topics in machine learning and showing how we can apply it to material science. We're introducing programming concepts, we're introducing concepts from computer science and machine learning as well. We're covering major topics in regression and classification. We're covering ensemble learning. We're covering topics in dimensionality reduction. But in addition to this, we're really trying to get at is establishing best practices for the application of data analysis and machine learning in material science. So the takeaway for today's session would be using various types of machine learning algorithms in the right way. And our goal is to have the participants being able to apply standard libraries in order to do whatever type of machine learning task that they want to do. Machine learning is not some magic cure-all for the task that we want to do. So what we want people to take away is to figure out what methods are appropriate for the types of problems that they may have. So there are a lot of success stories of application of machine learning to material science. People have used machine learning algorithms to predict the existence of new materials based just on data instead of running experiments. People are using machine learning to guide experiments in order to accelerate the discovery process. And people are also using machine learning to accelerate the computational materials. So instead of performing long simulations that could take weeks to do, we could use machine learning algorithms to make predictions for us.